Magpangalan kayo, Secretary, kasi ito first time ko ito narinig. We're investigating flood control. Ngayon inaamin lahat ng proyekto, pati classroom, pati hospital, pati tulay, pati kalsada, lahat substandard. No? That's what you're saying, Bryce, no?
Yes po, Your Honor. Makisama ko lang po, yung mga street lights po namin, overpriced po lahat yun.
Oh, street light, cat's eye, lahat na. Walang tumama. Walang tumama, no?
Opo.
Oh, so ikaw, 'di ba? So kunyari kayo ni Alcantara, kayo yung DE, under kayo kay Bernardo.
Nung mga panahon po din, opo, Your Honor.
Okay, and then si Yusek Bernardo, Secretary Bunoan, siya ba yung in charge ng monitoring niyan? O hindi rin, iba pa?
Iba pa, Your Honor.
Sino po?
Sa central office, I think it's with Bureau of Construction, Your Honor.
Bureau of Construction. Under a director? Under
a director, Your Honor.
Pangalanan po
now,
natin.
I think the director is...
yung noon po, 2019 to 2025, pinag-uusapan po natin.
During my watch, Your Honor, the director for Bureau of Construction is Engineer Alan Borromeo, Your Honor.
Alan Borromeo. Sige, magandang makausap rin po natin siya, Mr. Chairman.